Hello and welcome to another update video on ICP. We have seen another slight dip on the chart, but really not much changed from yesterday. I warned you over the last few days that we might not even see a larger wave 2 bounce, even though I still like the idea that we could get another bounce in this wave 2 correction, or let's rather say in this wave 2 corrective bounce towards the standard resistance area between $5.76 and $8.20. Quick reminder that what we see on the chart here is a sequence of 5 waves to the downside, and that is a local downtrend. It's a series of lower lows and lower highs after a 3-wave move up, which was, just a high, a higher low and a higher high. But it's not that series of higher highs and higher lows that would establish a trend. So we've got a bounce, a corrective bounce, and a local downtrend. Typically, after such a local downtrend, another corrective bounce follows. 5 waves down indicate the trend, followed usually by a 3-wave move up. Again, we had a 3-wave move up here as well. That's not an uptrend. That's just a counter trend move, at least based on what I can see here. Bear in mind, this is all probabilistic and it's a model. There are no certainties. It's all probabilistic. But I still like the idea of a larger wave 2 bounce because so far we haven't seen any move that's, you could say, large enough for a reliable wave 2 bounce. Once this is complete, the 3rd wave down could follow, followed by a 4 and a 5. That gives us a larger 5-wave decline to new lows. The bulls can certainly make a comeback. However, they need to prove it because of this structure that I explained. We only have 3 waves up. So the bulls can prove that they are making a comeback. If we get a 5-wave decline, then this can really only be invalidated with a break above the swing high on the 8th of November. That's a Saturday high, which formed at $9.93. That would be the invalidation, but I can tell you that there are already resistance levels above that serve as a first pivot. So if the bulls can drive the price above standard resistance, above $8.20, that is our first indication that the bulls actually take the lead. And then the orange scenario would come into focus. At the moment, however, the white scenario is more likely. Orange isn't completely unlikely, or it wouldn't be on the chart. But the orange scenario, which can take us to higher prices, is just not the most likely scenario. In terms of bullish and bearish scenarios here, I have to follow the one that currently aligns better with standard guidelines and rules of valued wave theory. So still, though, I would pay attention to this micro support zone we're currently testing between $3.66 and $4.52. It's simply a standard support zone. If it gets tested and we get a bounce from there, then this is likely going to be the white wave 2. Could happen potentially early next week. That's, of course, speculative, but something I'm watching for. That's the update on ICP. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, I recommend that you also check out our X channel for additional charts, updates, news, and much more. Feel free to follow us here. There are also some updates that are, in addition to the ones you find on YouTube. So it's quite active there. Feel free to follow us. The link is in the comment section. Have a great weekend. Bye-bye.